everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to my channel. I am here with an unboxing of a product that is used only for your home. Nothing computers, because as you know, as a product presentator, I want to go ahead and present more products besides computer boards and stuff that people cannot afford right now. So, this is from Vevor. This is a push vacuum sweeper, non-electrical. Now I had an electrical from Bizzle. That product was discontinued and none of the parts was not sold anymore in the store. So what I had to do is I had to find me a vacuum cleaner that I could use on a daily basis and don't worry about having to look for the parts in the stores or in the stores. If the belt needs to be replaced, I know they got the parts on the shelf and I can just replace it. Or if a filter needs to be replaced, it is good. When I brought that Bizzle, they discontinued that model and I had to throw it away. So now here we are with Vevor non-electrical sweeper. Now I used these way back in the past. Now I am 51 and trust me, you talking about like 30 years ago when they had the sweepers out. If you look at today's stores, you don't see none of these out. And I happened to come across this on Amazon. Now y'all keep in mind, if once I've done unboxing and testing everything out, if you would like to purchase you up one and you don't have carpets around, you don't want to spend $400, $500, $600, $700 on an electrical robot sweeper, then this will work for you. So let's get into the unboxing. I gotta be very careful not to go ahead on there and spill my coffee because I got my coffee on the table. And voila. Now, it comes in different colors. It comes in light blue, purple, black, and I think white. I'll be putting, just like I said, I'll be putting the store information in the description as well as the product itself. So, this is what we got. We got, oh my. They got this baby packed in here nice and tight. I'll see they got tape around it. So let's go ahead and take the tape off. Try not to do too much shaking. And voila. This is the base. Got your nice little swivel up thing. You got your little arms to go there on it. And like I always say, if you don't know what you're doing, read your instructions. Now I get killed in comments about, oh, the instructions wasn't in the product. The instructions here. Take your time opening up everything, and as you see right here, I'm holding the instructions. So yes, it comes with instructions. As you can pull out your instructions, first time doing everything, you trying to get ahead on and put everything together yourself. Read your instructions. Always read your instructions. And you cannot go wrong with that though. 5-10 minutes. Read your instructions. In the box, you have your legs. You have your handle. And you have your comb. This comb is to get stuff out. To empty it, you just open it up, dump it in the trash. It has a back end too. Same thing. Dump it up, empty in the trash, clean your brushes out. You know, the basics of this is what this is for. To go ahead and get all that little dust and stuff out the comb and keep it functional. So, what I'm going to do is, I am going to be hooking her up, quick assemble, and then we're going to go ahead and take her for a test drive. I do have a carpet in here that needs sweeping ASAP, and we have not swept in a good about 3 months now. So that's what we're going to do. All right, let's get right into the assemble. Alright everybody, she is done. Nice quick setup. I like how she looks. I love the color purple. I mean, I mostly buy everything in black or get it in red. So I asked my wife what color she wants. She said she wanted purple. So I said good. So then that's not bad. And then you have your little lever right here. So go ahead and let the trash out. Isn't that unique? When you're done sweeping, raise it up, dump it out, and voila, and you're done. Comb your bristles so you get all the excess trash out. Keep it brand spanking new. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do here is I'm going to go ahead on and sweep the carpet in there, see if she pick up some good amount of trash, and go ahead and close out. Alright everybody, we are in my grandson's room. This is the carpet that needs to be swept. As you see, it is messy, it is dirty. So we're gonna go ahead on and use Vevor Push Sweep Cleaner and go ahead and pick up everything. And let's see how she works. Oh, she's working real good. Oh, she works good. You know, it's been a long time since I had one of these here. And it is good. I used to have one of these here back when I was about 8, 9, 10, 11, between 10 to 12 years old, doing my thing here. And she works great. Now, she looks good. She looks real good. Yeah. And also, she works good on hard floors. The good thing about this here is, if you're not lazy, yeah, I'm using it, and you see, if you're not lazy, then this is good for you. But other than that, she did a nice, excellent job. And I cannot go wrong with that. She did a nice, good, excellent job. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to close it out and give you my final thoughts on Vevor Floor Sweeper. Now everybody, I almost forgot before I close out. Y'all want to see how to dump her. Then like I said, I showed you in the opening, there's a lever on the side that you do this here. And voila, all the trash come out. And wow, that's a lot of cat hair and everything on here. And the bristles stay nice, pretty clean. Now, just like I said, if you see any bristles, your bristles are dirty and everything, just go ahead and get the brush and comb it. You know, once you open the lever up, nice, good, easy, clean. Can't go wrong with it. But this is the trash that came off the carpet. As you see, trash. There's a lot of cat hair in there. So yes, it did a great job sweeping, and I'm glad to have one. Have one in my household instead of buying an electrical vacuum cleaner that's costing an arm and a leg now. So what I'm going to go ahead and do now is go ahead and give you my final on it, and y'all have your own opinion whether would you buy it or not. Let's go to the final. Alright everybody, how y'all doing? And welcome back to the final conclusion of my thoughts of the Vevor Carpet Sweeper. Excellent. And you can't go wrong with that. Now the reason why I'm so used to using these here because I used these here way back when I was in my childhood days, 10, 11, 12, somewhat in the 13, 14 era. No problem. Then my mom went ahead on and brought one of the electrical vacuum cleaners. When all those parts was discontinued, couldn't find the belt no more, couldn't find the bags no more. Done. Now, as I got later on older, I had bought a bizzle for my apartment. Brought two of them, tell you the truth, but they all were discontinued And once they discontinued, they stopped selling the parts for it. And I had another business that I had to throw away about 2 years ago. No, not 2 years, basically recently, the correction on that this year, because it was molded inside. Not only that, because of there's no parts for it no more. When I went to go ahead and replace the little sponge filter that was inside, wasn't able to find it in the stores. When I went to the business website, they discontinued it, all the parts. So I said I'm getting tired of this. So I went head on and came across this nice good vacuum cleaner. Perfect. Vevor Copper Sweeper manual. That means you do it by yourself. And if you don't mind the little exercise, the little push and motion back and forth, then you're all right. So, will I recommend this? Yes. Will I put the links in the description below? Absolutely. Because I want you to buy it. All the links in the description below, and I want you to bring it home, and I want you to have it. Simple, easy, and easy to assemble, and easy to use. Now, if you're lazy and you want one of those robotic vacuum cleaners like Roomba, etc., 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 then this is not for you. But the ones who don't mind being old school like me and say, hey, Ron, thank you for showing this here. And thank you for testing it out for us, assembling it for us. Then this product is here for you. So all the links will be in the description below. Click on it, purchase it. I get commission off of it. It's not good. It's okay with that. I'm happy with the commission. It's 3% of it. So the more you sell, the more the income is. So that's great. But as you always know, I like rumbling off at the mouth. This Vevor carpet sweeper is great. It cleaned my son's carpet. I went head on and showed you how to dump all of it. And that carpet has not been swept since we moved here in June. So we're in June, July, August, September, October, November. 6 months. That carpet has not been swept, and you saw all that cat hair and trash that came off of it. So yes, this is a good product. I recommend it. I'm backing it up. I'm using it. I purchased it. This is not a sponsorship video. But Vevor, if you'd like to go ahead on and do sponsorship with me, I'm all open for that. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace.